The structure and function of dengue fever. Now let me discuss about what is dengue. Dengue is a mosquito-borne viral infection, usually transmitted by Aedes aegypti mosquito. It is most common in tropical and subtropical regions. Usually, it occurs mainly in the rainy season. It usually starts with mild flu-like symptoms and may lead to severe complications like dengue hemorrhagic fever, dengue shock syndrome. There is no proper cure for dengue, but we can prevent dengue. Now we will discuss about the structure and function of dengue. Dengue is usually caused by Aedes aegypti mosquito. This mosquito bites mainly in the daytime. Usually, this mosquito breeds in clean, stagnant water like where you store water in water tanks, flower pots, and also in coolers, etc. Usually, dengue is of 4 serotypes. Dengue is a small RNA virus. It is in 4 different serotypes, DNA 1 to 4, and this is the cycle of dengue mosquito. Usually, it is caused by Aedes aegypti. When Aedes aegypti bites the human being, it will cause spread of infection to human. The infected human itself acts as a source of Aedes aegypti for further transmission. This is the mosquito bites the human being. He gets infected with dengue virus. He itself acts as a source of infection to another human by the mosquito virus. This is the structure and function of dengue virus. If you are suffering from dengue, choose Fidicus homeopathy. What are the advantages in Fidicus homeopathy means? Because in Fidicus homeopathy, doctors are with passion, qualification, knowledge, experience, competence, and compassion. In Fidicus homeopathy, we are following drug device procedure with a high quality, and we are also best in segment. Best in segment means there are so many medicines in homeopathy like dilution, mother tincture, triturations are there, but we can get our medicines from best pharmaceutical industries. In Fidicus homeopathy, we are following latest technology and also using artificial intelligence in treatment options also. Now coming to the consultation part. If you are suffering from dengue, you want to consult Fidicus homeopathy. Fidicus homeopathy provides 2 types of consultation. One is online consultation and the other one is in-person consultation. In online consultation, audio and video calls are also available. You can share your reports, any documents with us. If any are necessary, we can let me know. After completing the case taking, we will ship our medicines to your doorstep wherever you are in the world. If you are in India, it will take 3 to 4 business working days. If you are staying other than India, it will take 3 to 8 business working days. If you want to come by in person, you can visit our nearest branch and get consultation. How can you get consultation in Fidicus homeopathy? This is our WhatsApp number 799-710-1303. By using this number, you can consult us. And if you have any doubts in dengue condition, this is our website www.fidicus.com. You can visit our website and get consultation also. If you are suffering from dengue fever, choose Fidicus homeopathy. Why Fidicus homeopathy means? Because Fidicus homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Fidicus homeopathy following 3 main principles. One is highest success rate, transparent treatment, and personal care. Highest success rate in the sense of we are having highest success rate in dengue condition, and we are providing transparent treatment. Transparent treatment means we can maintain transparency between the patient and the doctor. We can provide the information about the condition and also we can discuss that condition prognosis also. And we are providing personal care. Personal care in the sense we can clarify their doubts and also providing health guidance to them. All are available in personal care. These are the advantages in Fidicus homeopathy. That's why Fidicus homeopathy is the best option for healthy life.
Fidicus Homeopathy.